Welcome back, y'all. I actually forgot to film an intro for this video. It's pretty late at night. But here's the video. Did some duck hunting today. Hammered on some public land ducks. Didn't get quite as many. Didn't get the camera out in time. But I got you guys footage. It's been a while, but we're back. Hope you guys enjoy.
Oh. Kill him up top.
Got one out of it.
A lot of feathers.
A lot of feathers. Go get that blade.
Yeah.
Get that blade.
Nice little pin mulatto. A good one, guys. That is a good one. Yeah. Corbin, I think there's a couple ducks out here.
There may be one or two in the store.
Like, well, I had it up until I started walking. It was like right here. I need more shells. It's been up all the way. I could probably put it right here and then just angle it out. I might do that. I don't even have shells in my cup. I got another one.
There's a whole lot of feathers for only one bird to go down.
Why's it not feeding? Oh, you gotta do that again?
Put one in it, yeah.
You and this fancy stuff.
One coming out.
You're a fancy guy.
Always load the chamber first and then load the thing.
Okay. Big duck guy or what?
Yeah. Yeah. That's one of our, so that's halfway to one hen limit. See what I mean?
Yeah.
So you have to watch That's why the cove's so good.
There's a diver again, just ripping around the way up there.
That's why this cove is so good in the morning.
Could I shoot off that point?
Off that point?
Yeah. You want to stay here and we go to the point?
I mean, you can try. You're not.
They're kind of far.
You're not going to get there.
I know, but
You
what?
won't get up there before they take
Nah.
off.
They're stupid though. I'll just tell them to stay there.
Oh, okay. I mean, if you want to try that, go right ahead.
No, I don't know.
The bad part is
I'm gonna have to walk all the way back over here and all the way, but I might be warm.
oh, you'd be warm by the time you did that twice. That's what the. Well, you know what though? Too bad we didn't set that point.
Because they would be in front. They would have swam into this.
But the whole thing is, we probably wouldn't have got the ones we did get. Although the ones that come across that point out there that went in the back of that cove, we probably could have got shots at. The only problem is, oh shit! Go get him out. Go get him. Hurry up, we got more. I'm sure there's some more birds coming. I wish I'd have seen them too. Oh.